sky when you speak my name, a distant echo in the dark. But I've been wandering through the wild rain, carrying lightning in my heart. You're rolling soft like a warning, low and trembling on the wind. But I've been breaking open heavens with a fire born within. We were always made of weather, two tempest meant to collide. Still I chase the sound of you across the midnight sky. You are thunder, but I am the storm. You call out, I transform. I'm the rain that never falls the same, the wild sky you can't contain. You are thunder, steady and strong, but I'm the one that's been raging all along. You are thunder, but I am the storm. You shake the walls when you tremble, but I'm the one who tears them down. Every heartbeat's elemental, every breath a battleground. You bring the sound of something coming, but I'm the force that makes it real. The surge, the flood, the sudden aching that we both can't help but feel. Maybe we were made for chaos, maybe we were made for more. But you only break the silence, I'm the one who starts the war. You are thunder, but I am the storm. You call out, I transform. I'm the rain that never falls the same, the wild sky you can't contain. You are thunder, distant and warm, but I'm the one rewriting every norm. You are thunder, but I am the storm. Maybe one day we'll find the calm behind everything we've done. But storms don't stop for anyone, and thunder never runs. Still you echo through my shadows, still I rise into your sound. Two forces always crashing where the earth and sky are bound. You are thunder, but I am the storm. You pulse steady, I'm reborn. When your voice rolls through the night, I ignite